Hello friends, welcome to Tech Study Cell. In this video, we'll make an home automation system using the ESP32. Here, ESP32 will create its own access point. You just have to connect with the access point, then enter a IP to open the dashboard to control the relays. And as you can see, you can control the relays from different smartphone, laptop, and you can also control the relay manually with push button. And the most amazing part for this project, if you tap on the refresh button, you can monitor the real-time feedback on your smartphone. So the project is very useful. You don't need any Wi-Fi connection. You don't have to configure any third-party IoT application. You just have to program the ESP32 and your project will be ready. And here you can see I have made the complete project without using any PCB, but still I will always recommend you to design PCB for any electronics project. So for this project I have designed this PCB using the Altium PCB designer software. Now Altium came up with an amazing product called Altium 365. Altium 365 is an electronic product design platform that unites PCB design, MCAD, data management and teamwork. With Altium 365, you can not only design PCBs but you can also share your projects to your teammates for review. It also provides automatic backup, centralized cloud storage and a lot more. And if you are a student, you can also enroll Altium Student Lab for free to get access Altium 365 online PCB design courses, and after completing the course you will also get certificate of completion from Altium. And there are other key benefits, so I will highly recommend you to visit the Altium Student Lab. You can find a link in the description, then enroll with your university email ID. It's a great opportunity for the student and it's also a great initiative from Altium to accelerate your skill in electronics design. To make this project, you just need an ESP32, 4-channel relay module and some push buttons. Then connect all the components as per this circuit diagram. The circuit is very simple. These push buttons are connected across the GPIO pins and the ground. And here I have used active low relay module. So to turn on the relay, you have to give low signal to the respective control pin. Although you can make the circuit without using any PCB, but here I am going to use this PCB. I have designed it using Altium PCB designer software. Now let me connect the ESP32 with my laptop to upload the code. This is the sketch for this project. Let me open it with Arduino IDE. You can download the sketch from our website iotcircuitapp.com. You just have to visit the related article, link is in the description. Now for this project you have to install this version of the ESP32 and you need these two libraries. Now this is the Wi-Fi access point credential. This is the Wi-Fi name and the password. If you want, you can change it in the code. To connect with the access point, you have to select this Wi-Fi, then enter this password. After that, to open the dashboard, you have to enter this IP. Then these are the GPIO connected with the relay and these are the GPIO connected with the buttons. Here I have used active low relay module. So initially I am sending high signal to turn off all the relay. Then these are the HTML content for the dashboard. If you go through the code, you can easily understand. I have also explained this code line by line in the article. Again, you can find a link in the description. Then in the void setup, with this block I am configuring the relay pin as output. Then using this block I am configuring the buttons pin as input product. Then in the void loop, first we are handling any incoming client request using this line. Then using this block we are controlling the relay from the manual push button. So the code is very simple. You can go through the article. If you have any query, you can also mention in the comment section. Now to upload the code, let me go to tool, select the ESP32 dev board. Here you can see. Then select the proper port. Then hit the upload button. After programming, I will just turn on the supply. Then let me turn on the Wi-Fi. Then I will connect with the hotspot created by the ESP32. So let me go to more and this is the hotspot name, ESP32 hotspot. Then I will enter the password 12345678. You can also change the password. You just have to change it in the code. Let me connect with it. Now it is connected. Now I will open the Google Chrome app. Then I have to enter the IP http 192.168.4.1. This is the fixed IP. Now here is our dashboard. Let me tap this button to turn on the relays. So here you can see, in this way I can control the relay from the smartphone, and I can also control it with the push button. Let me turn on the first relay. Now on the dashboard, if I press the reset button, you can see the latest status of the relay on the dashboard. And I can also control this relay from different smartphone. So let me connect with the same hotspot from another smartphone. Let me turn on the Wi-Fi, connect with the same hotspot, ESP32 hotspot. So now it is connected. Now again, let me go to Google Chrome and enter the IP. This is the fixed IP. So here you can also see the current state of the relay. First relay is on, and I can also control the relay from the another smartphone. Here you can see. Now whenever I press the refresh button, it will fetch the current state of all the relays. So this is a very useful project. You don't need any Wi-Fi connection. You don't need to configure any third-party IoT app. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.